Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make cobweb egg roll biscuits. Take 100 grams all-purpose flour, 60 grams cornstarch, 60 grams sugar, 1 pinch salt, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix all dry ingredients. Add 1 whole egg, 1/4 cup milk or as required. Mix properly. We need its consistency like this. Now add 14 grams melted butter. Take 1 plastic bag and pour the batter in the bag. Make a small hole from here. Heat the pan and make the lines of batter. Cook on low flame for 1 minute or when it turns in golden brown color. Now make a roll. Make all rolls from this method. If you like my recipes, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you comment me about this recipe, then I will be thankful to you. I will share my best recipes 2 times in a week, on Thursday and Monday. All are done. They are so yummy and crispy. Enjoy with chocolate sauce. Thanks for watching.